Hello, my dear students. Welcome back in Unit 2 to create finally a web page using HTML. Remember that the Unit 1 was to introduction for the terms about website, about the hyperlinks, about web page, and how to create a sound like Audacity program, how to create video using the OpenShot program, and there was open source programs, and then we need to drag all this files inside the HTML web page. Okay, right. First step to create HTML or a web page using HTML is to open the notepad. So the first step is to open the notepad. We need to open the notepad from all programs. Notepad, thing from accessories, notepad. Okay, this is the notepad program. And we need to write the HTML code. HTML code starting from tags, two tags, this is called tag, starting tag called HTML, and ending tag called HTML slash, no, yes, you remember that, slash first and then HTML and then close the tag. So this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Okay, after the starting tag we start to write information about the page inside a head. The head is the starting tag for information about the page. Okay, inside the head we write the title of the page, and then I named the title hello. Okay, I said the web page for middle 2, and then I close the title and I close the head. How I close the head? Yes, don't forget the slash and close the head. Okay, then inside the body we write the content about the web page. The main content written inside the body. Okay, here we write the content of the page. Okay, and then we close the body. Okay, and then what we do now, we save the HTML page. How? From file, save as, web page .htm, and we start to use Unicode and press save. Type in which place I saved, I forget, so I press save as again. I pressed it in document. I need to save it on the desktop. Okay, web page .htm. Okay, don't forget to specify the place. So the first step is to open the notepad, the second step is to write the HTML code, and then we save the HTML page inside the place that we want, and we put the file name and the extension HTML, and choose the encoding UTF-8. And finally, we preview the page in the browser. Okay, press save. And we need to see the browser. Yes, this is the web page. Yes. So here, web page for middle 2 is the title, and here we write the content on the page of the page. This is the body, and this is the head. Okay, and the title here in the head. It's information about the page, and here the content of the page. Clear? I think it's clear enough. So let's continue. Inside the tags, we have a lot of text to write inside the body. Like if I need to make a new line. If I need to make a new line, we write BR. Okay, BR, create new line. Okay, so press save and let's see what we had. F5. Yes, so we write the content of the page and create new line in another line because we put BR tag. Okay, and after that, if I need to write a heading يعني it's like a big font, bold, italic, and a large size, or bold only. Okay, H1 heading, and then we close H1. We called it H1, sorry, here slash. We called it H1 because we can have a lot of heading, H2, H3, H4. Every heading you start it, you end it with each number. Okay, then press save and let's see the effects. Press F5. Yes, so heading is different format from the other sentence. Okay, all of this inside the body. Okay, if I need to write a paragraph, so I write B and then I write my paragraph, and I close it B1 also because it's the same reason why I write H1 and close it H1. I write B1 and close it B1, or I write it B and close it B1, the same. Okay, other thing is center. The center, if I need to write everything under the center tag, I write it under the center, so all the sentence under the center will be in the center. Okay, like hello middle 2. Okay, let's see. Save. F5. Yes, my paragraph here and hello middle 2 in the center. What we need to do else is NBSP, and NBSP it's for space. Okay, to make a space like tab. Okay, يعني let's see كده, and from number 7 and NBSP. Yes, So I write here and BSP semicolon, then hello again. Hello again. Let's see. Hello middle 2, then space, then hello again. Okay, it's clear. And then if I need to write with font, specific font, specific formatting, so we write font face equal and to quotation Arial, and then as another attribute, face is called attribute. Okay, let's see here that font has 3 attributes: face, color, and size. Face equal Arial, color equal red, and size equal 10. And then close the tag. Here you write what you want to have this specific formatting inside the font here or under the font. So we write here the font will be Arial type and color red and size 10. And then we close the font. Okay, then we make save, and let's see. Okay, but here the font will be Arial. All of this is in the center because we start a center tag here. If I need this to be not in the center, so I close the center here. I close the center, so the under will be not in the center. Let's see. F5. Okay, but the center, and the other one in the left. Okay, let's continue. Underline, bold, and italic. Underline, bold, and italic. If I need all of this underlined, bold, italic, and then press save, and let's see the effect. So it will be underline, bold, and italic. Let's continue with image. If I need to insert image, so I open a tag called image. Image has 4 attributes: source, height, width, align. I press space and write source equal and the name of the image dot jpg, the heights equal 500, the width equal 500, and align equal, can be left or right or middle, left or right or middle. I will make it in the right. Okay, and then I close the image. The same thing in the embed. If I need to insert the video, I write the name of the video here. Okay, and in the source, and write the extension. Okay, BG sound, the same thing. I insert